Hey everyone, Ambuj here. If you've ever wished you had more time in a day or felt stuck doing repetitive and boring tasks, then this video is exactly for you. See, AI is not here to replace your job. But here's the truth. The person who knows how to use AI effectively might replace the person who doesn't. So today, I'll share with you 8 powerful AI tools that can save you hours, spark your creativity, and even help grow your business.
Let's start with something we all secretly dislike. Making presentations. Hours go into formatting slides, fixing fonts, and adjusting images. With Presentations.ai, you don't need to worry about that anymore. Just type in your topic, pick a language, add some key points, or even upload a PDF. And the tool generates a complete presentation for you. We're talking about layouts, designs, and slide flow, all done in seconds. Of course, you can still edit and customize themes later, but it saves you from that long, boring formatting process. Perfect for students preparing for projects, professionals rushing for a pitch, or anyone tired of staring at empty PowerPoint templates. This one is for sales teams and marketers. Ocean.ai. We all know how painful cold outreach can be, but Ocean uses AI to analyze data and give you a list of companies that actually match your ideal customer profile. For example, you can input one client's website, and Ocean will instantly find similar businesses, along with details like size, country, and contact information. It's like fishing, but instead of casting your net randomly, you're casting it exactly where the fish are. Next up, Coral AI, your ultimate PDF assistant. Imagine this. You download a 60-page research paper or a lengthy government report. Normally, you'd spend hours scrolling through it. But with Coral, you simply upload the PDF, and instead of reading every line, you can chat with it. Ask questions like, what's the summary of section 4? Or, what does the report say about climate change? And it will pull the answer instantly, even showing the exact page it came from. In at number 3, Google AI Studio. Imagine getting stuck on your computer, not knowing how to do something. With Google AI Studio, you can literally ask the AI, and it analyzes your screen in real time. Want to build a pivot table in Excel? It shows you step by step. Need help debugging code? It guides you directly. It's like having a personal tutor that works inside your apps. Now let's talk about websites. If you've ever wanted to launch your own website but had no idea where to start, Hostinger Website Builder makes it ridiculously easy. Here's how it works. Describe your business, pick a style, and in under a minute, the AI builds an entire website for you. And it's not just the layout. It comes with extra features like an AI blog writer, product description generator, a background remover for product photos, and even an AI heat map that shows you where visitors are most likely to click. This one's pretty unique. Do not pay. The world's first AI lawyer. No, it won't help you win million-dollar lawsuits, but it will handle everyday legal hassles for you. Need to fight a parking ticket? Done. Want to cancel a subscription you've been charged for? Easy. Looking to claim a flight refund or compensation? Do Not Pay can prepare it for you. Instead of drowning in paperwork or waiting on hold with customer support, this app acts like your digital lawyer in your pocket. For creatives, here's a must-have: Adobe Firefly. Think of it as your AI art studio. Just type a prompt like, a cat is hanging on a skyscraper with a spider web. He's dressed like a Spider-Man and is eating pizza. And Firefly instantly generates high-quality visuals. From product mock-up to posters, it works seamlessly within Adobe's ecosystem. So if you already use Photoshop or Illustrator, you'll feel right at home. And the best part, it's super beginner-friendly, even if you've never designed anything before. In at number 8, Autopod. Built just for content creators. If you've ever edited podcasts or multi-camera videos, you know it takes hours. Autopod automates the entire process. Switching camera angles, trimming awkward pauses, syncing audio, and even creating clips for TikTok or Instagram. That means less time editing and more time actually creating. For solo YouTubers, podcasters, or small teams, this is a total lifesaver.
And that wraps up my list of 8 amazing AI tools you can start using today.
Let me know in the comments which tool do you want to try first. This is Ambuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.